Hi guys, we received this Etvski 7-inch large plant pots for living purposes. It's a pack of 6 pots which comes in 3 different colors, and what is nice about them is that they comes with these tray saucers, so you can water your plants normally, and it has this drainage hole in this part, so you just leave it there. All the excess water will get in the tray saucer and you can just take it out when it's exceeding the limits. Like that, it's 6-pack because you have different colors for your different plants, and they are actually really nice. It has a very nice material quality. So, well, I'm gonna take them outside. I have actually 1 or 2 plants that I need to put in these pots, so let's go. Okay, so I have actually transported in here into the pot the plant, so now I'm gonna water it. So it has nutrients. I also gonna clean it. Make sure it has a nice amount of water. And I'm gonna leave it in there so it absorbs all the water and all the excess water drain. Okay, so as you can see, all the water has drained, left us all with the humid dirt, and you can just take this water and drop it, and just leave it there, so it still drains all the excess water that will be given. Okay, so they are actually really nice, really convenient, and are perfect size. See ya.